Good morning. It's day 29. Up at about 4 o'clock this morning when Roxy was like, Mom, I gotta go out. And when I came back to bed, I realized my alarm was gonna go off in 15 minutes. So it's about the 5 o'clock hour and I'm driving down to Anaheim to go to work today. And it is a whopping 50 degrees outside. Oh, it is too cold for me. This is beanie and sweater, and if I had big fuzzy boots, I would be wearing them today. So I've packed my lunch. Hopefully Ryan has a lunch in the fridge. I know there's definitely breakfast for him in the fridge. I'm pretty sure he's got lunch. Might not be what he wants, but he's got lunch. And I have so many fruits and vegetables for this week. I'm really excited about it. I'm excited that the end is tomorrow, though I don't plan on going too crazy at all. Yeah, I know the whole canola oil thing last night, we could have had it, and we tried not to make a really big deal about it, but we didn't. It was the first thing that we asked the server, and by the time we had figured out that we could have it, they were already making the second meal, and it was like, why bother make another deal about it? So we just took it home so we can eat it tomorrow, the day after. Plus it wasn't that big a piece of meat anyways, so yeah. I'm excited to get this day over with. I only got 4 hours of sleep. We'll see how energetic I get this afternoon. I have my coffee with me and I have an extra Keurig pod to make one at work. So here's to a good day. You probably won't see me a lot today. All right, I'm pulling up to Anaheim. It's about 6:15. I've been on the road for 45 minutes. And in front of me, the sky is beautiful and lighting up with all these beautiful pink colors, which you just saw. And the sky behind me is still dark. So, yeah, after being on the road for 45 minutes, I'm definitely hungry. And even though I drank my whole cup of coffee, it hasn't hit me yet. I'm still super sleepy. Normally, this is when I would do my workout, but because I didn't get much sleep last night, and I haven't been feeling super high on energy, I'm gonna take it easy this morning. Probably edit some video. So, yeah, my breakfast coming soon. All right, breakfast is gonna be 2 egg cups with bacon in them, and some of those grapes I just got at the farmer's market yesterday. Okay, it's lunchtime. Leftover chicken and extra asparagus today. Yum, time for guava. All right, lunch is over and I'm still hungry, so I'm just gonna eat almond butter with a spoon. Nothing like almond butter just by itself, nothing else. Yum. Snack time, time for some carrots and a hard-boiled egg. Snack time, RX bar. I swear, these taste like blueberry muffins when you haven't had sugar in so long. All right, so I'm off work. I had the short day today, not the long day. Before I get on the road, which will be at least a 45-minute to an hour drive, I'm going to have a bit of an avocado and a hard-boiled egg to keep my energy up because I feel myself getting really sluggish and I still have to make dinner for tonight and prepare lunch for tomorrow. So let's go home. And here I am, day 29 at the grocery store, and I can't find coconut chips, so I'm gonna attempt to make my own, even though I'm super, super tired. Oh my god, I don't know why, but these look so good. I want a handful stuffed in my mouth right now. Okay, I am so tired, but I have a couple different things going on. Over here, I am in the process of adding stuff to the egg cups as I cut it and chop it. Here's some ground turkey that's going to go into my spaghetti sauce. The spaghetti sauce is going to go in there. Over here, I cheated a little bit and I bought some pre-chopped onions and forgot that Ryan chopped an entire onion for me the other day. I have 2 cans of finely ground tomatoes. I have carrots and celery. And in the oven right now, I have sweet potatoes and beef patties for burgers. So, oh, and butternut squash. I'm doing a lot at once. And I'm also going to make a chia seed, almond milk, blackberry thing and see if I can get that coconut, wherever it is. There it is. See if I can get that cut open and roast some coconut so I can put that on it. So tired, but I gotta get this done. Wish me luck. Hamburger patties are out of the oven. I'm putting them in the microwave just to keep them warm. The sweet potato buns are cooked. So now the eggs are going to go in the oven. The butternut squash is cooked and ready for dinner. And our spaghetti sauce with turkey in it is finished. So all I have to do is cut up the spaghetti squash and stick it in the oven with the eggs, take the eggs out, wait longer for the spaghetti squash, and everything will be preset for the next few days. Talk about food prep at once. Like, I think that was a lot. And that huge butternut squash is ready to go in the oven for an hour, minimum. All right, this is so much better when the sweet potato is baked in the oven with the meat. So yummy. Okay, so I'm gonna try and make a blackberry chia seed pudding. So there's like half a cup of unsweetened almond milk, 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, and like 7 ground up blackberries from the farmer's market. And that's about it. So let's see how it turns out. All right, so that sat overnight, or at least 6 hours. I had mixed it up this morning. And then on the top I put almond slices, pistachios, and some fresh blackberries.